come back tomorrow. Please come. Victor. Hey, cheese.
Cheese. Hand.
Why do you want to spray your hand?
Because I need to spray this.
Yeah, who taught you that one? Who taught you that one? Hey, no, don't rub it on your body. It's not good. Just okay, rub it on your neck. On your neck, it's okay. Alright, so what do you say to mommy?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I love you.
I love you too.
Listen to your teacher, okay? See you in the afternoon. Goodbye.
I'll come back tomorrow.
Why would you come back tomorrow?
Life not be bed of roses, yes we know. You the hustle every day to get the dough. Monday to Sunday hustle for some more. When it feels like you're not getting through, don't stop, 'cause soon the blessing go come. The light will shine on your door. Celebrations coming your turn. Keep holding on, it's on God, on God. Don't lose yourself. Life not be bed of roses, yes we know. You the hustle every day to get the dough. Monday to Sunday hustle.
What's your name? How old are you? What are your hobbies? Teacher would like to know everything.
The light will shine on your door. Celebrations coming your turn. Keep holding on, it's on God, on God. Don't lose yourself on the way. In good time, the things you need will come.
You will fall. You will fall. You don't even know.
Die fast. Is it a big dog?
Ah, tell me stop now. She's a baby.
She's a girl.
I know she's a girl, but she's a baby girl.
No, she's a brother.
Mama, you two don't understand that you're a baby. You cannot drag with them. It will injure you. Hey guys, so I'm finally done working. You know, times when I just finish working for the day, I get so excited because I just chill. You know, I just went to remove my shirt and I've tied wrapper as the typical African woman that I am. I've tied wrapper because I cannot keep myself. So my son is back from school, and as usual, he has littered everything, he has scattered everywhere in the house. So this is basically what I do every day. I just wake up, take care of my children, work, stay on my phone or my laptop or see a movie, and the day gets dark and we start all over again. I don't always go out to even see people. I just stay at home. So sometimes I feel my life is somewhat boring, and making content out of it, I feel like, will people watch? Is there anything interesting about me people would like to see? But I stumbled on a video where they said something you might find boring is interesting to someone else, right? So you never can tell. Somebody out there might just be interested in something about me, something about my lifestyle, even if it's boring. Personally, I feel like there's nothing interesting, but that video it encouraged me, like, you never can tell what might be interesting to some people. And I've understood life to an extent that, hence the saying, one man's food is another man's poison, right? So that thing you feel is boring might be interesting to someone else. So this is me encouraging you guys out there. If you if you want to if you want to make content, please do it, right? Whatever the case, there's definitely an audience for you. Jeremy, where are you going to? When someone is knocking at the gate, don't run out. Let older person go and open the gate. They did not call you. Come inside. Who is knocking? Ask the person's name before you. Oh, my water. My fridge is on. I need to put off my fridge. Oh no, oh no. NEPA will not just keep lights. Like, must they take lights? Must they take lights? Just so annoying. Who's that? Who's knocking? Do I even need to on this thing? Do you want to watch TV? Let's leave it till night, I beg. Who's that? Who's that? You came for- So that's just it, right? If you feel motivated or you feel like making a content or making a video, please do so, okay? Don't feel discouraged. Don't feel like nobody's going to find it interesting and all. There is an audience for everybody. There's an audience for everybody. There's an audience for the how do they call it, aesthetically pleasing people or environment. Good day, good afternoon, right? Everybody, this space is for everybody, so just feel comfortable, okay? So, like I said, I want to make ogbono soup, and it's been like ages. It's been like a really long time I made ogbono soup, so I want to make ogbono soup now. So I'm just going to tag you guys along. Are you feeling my mic? Are you feeling the girl? Okay, yeah, that's it. That's basically it. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is how I buy my meat. So this is cow skin, a bit flesh. Yes, cow meat, the flesh. So I just buy in little chunks like this, and I also buy cow head too. So this is how they cut it in the market. I got this for about 20,000 naira. I got the cow, this one for 10,000, and this other one for 10,000. So what I do is to just steam it and then put it in the fridge. I just feel that way it saves, it saves money, it saves ingredients, and it saves time, it saves gas, it saves everything. Because as I'm just doing it now, I know I'm doing everything at once. So when I steam it, I'll put the meat, the broth, what they call it, broth, yes, the broth in the fridge. So whenever I want to make soup or whatever, I just bring it out. So this is it. Yeah, this is how I get it. I like this. I like to make this with. I like to make stew with this one. That's why I get this. And I also like this part of meat. Although this is fattening shao, but I just like it. So you can just fry some and put in the fridge, or steam them and put in the fridge, and then whenever you want to cook, you just make out whatever you want to make out from it. So yeah. Good news. This time meat is big. Oh. Have you? This time it's bigger than the last time. Yeah, because you went early. So guys, like I said earlier, I got this for 20,000 naira. We eat. Yeah, just bite this side. Bite this side. Join me. Oh yeah, take this side, bite it. Just that small part, oh, small. Oh yeah, take. I have shared my meat now. Oh, this tastes really good. So nice. So how do you do? How do you? I'm also learning. I'm looking for other alternatives, right? How do you preserve your? How do you buy meat? I don't know if this is cheap or you feel it's expensive. Also drop it in the comment section, okay? How do you buy yours to make it? I'm looking for economical ways to make life easy. So what do you think? Hmm?